Welcome back to another video on the channel. We have another Matchbox 5-pack to take a look at today. This is the Coffee Cruisers 4-pack. Probably confusing as another pack because I just suddenly thought I've already done the Coffee Cruisers 4, but it was different. No, it's probably like the Highways pack or something I'm thinking of. But yes, we have another Coffee Cruisers pack here. It's actually pretty fresh to me because I picked this up today and I thought it'd be a pretty cool thing to take a look at. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited for this Chevy El Camino here. But there's quite a few other cool cars too. Quite old stuff in this one, to be fair. We got the 1932 Ford Coupe Model B, a 1941 Cadillac Series 62, the 1956 Aston Martin DB1, the 70 Chevy El Camino, the newest one of the lot, and the 47 AD 3100. Wow, some pretty old stuff in this pack, so pretty awesome. We'll waste no time. Well, actually, we'll quickly have a look at that lovely Aston Martin on the back there. Sort of sideways, because it's a bit tricky to fit stuff in. Do you know what? Rather than ripping it open like that, rather than destroying it, we shall slice this bit here. Open up the top and slide the cars out. And there's going to be a magic jump cut and all of these cars will appear in a line. Magic. Gotta say, I'm quite liking the scheme of colours here. Going through the old greens and blue. So yeah, let's start things off with the old Ford here. This one's in a nice green colour. Bit of a slightly yellowy shine to that. A cell number 3. We got... oh gosh, it's really tiny. What is that? Oh, it's Matchbox. There's like a little Matchbox logo there. Very, very tiny, quite hard to see that, I must admit. Nice oldie type wheels on there. There's the front, we've got a bit of detail for the light there, as it's part of the plastic base. And there's the back. Let's have a quick look at the base, as I usually forget to do this bit. There it is. 32 Ford Coupe Model B. Very nice. That is pretty awesome. Next up, we have the Cadillac Series 62. This one's a bit different for me. Not something I'll ever see. Old American vehicle. Nice front light details on this one though. That's pretty awesome. The chrome on the front bumper there, and a bit of detail for the grille and the badge there. Little hood ornament type thing going on there. Side vents as well, which is pretty awesome, and you've got a little black one there. Really nicely done this. And I like the detail for the vinyl roof as well. That looks really, really good. Split front screen as well. That's really, really cool. And we got the chrome for the back as well. Nice detail on this one. I like the old school colour as well. And there is the base, which I think we looked at the start because I was trying to remember what vehicle that was. Yeah, old Cadillacs. I'm not very smart on the very old vehicles, especially the American stuff. Obviously being from the UK. Ooh, Matchbox favourite wheels on this one. Got those 5 spokes. This is the Aston Martin. This looks really nice in this sort of racing green colour. Very sparkly. That is really nice indeed. Front light details, very nice. Little license plate there as well. Look at that. Awesome. And the little badge. Oh, that is really, really nice. Bit of its paint has come off my finger. Oh no. Nice side vent. There's a little screen. You've got your interior in there as well. Even got green on the floor there, which is part of the base. Nice details on the interior. I'm trying to get the interior to show on the screen. Can I cheat it with a torch? There you go. There's the interior detail. Look how glittery the paint looks under that torchlight. Yeah, really cool. And when it focuses, there we go. There are the rear light details, so very nice indeed, and the logo on the plate again. This one is also right hand drive. Very cool. Right, the El Camino. Let's have a look at this one. So nice old American type, old school type wheels. Got the silver around the arches there, El Camino badge on the side. On the front there, we get the front badge and the bumper as part of the base. A couple of stripes over the top there, that's really cool. They look like they might be a little bit out of place. No, I think that's just my eyesight. No, that's just my eyesight. I need glasses apparently. We've got the little hood. I think they're the hood catches, or bonnet catches, that are detailed in there. The door handles all detailed in. Yeah, very nice. Not much detail on this one, but it is a very nice looking thing. I do like the El Camino. It's a very cool truck. There is the base. That is really nice. And finally, we have here the Chevy 47.5 Chevy AD Truck. Well, there is the base. What we're here. Got this old school wheels again, looking really cool. I do like the decals on this. Got the little stripes over the arches, the sort of swooping stripes. Don't know what you'd call them. Whoa, camera! Whoa! I just looked back down to find it completely out of focus. I've been just playing around with a new lens, and I've gone back to this one, and everything just seems to be going wrong. I think that says Prestige something? Oh, I can't read. It says Coffee Cruisers, and that says we've got Coffee Cruisers and Los Angeles down there. Yeah, really nice. Not as much detail on this one, but we do get the tampos and stuff on the side. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I've got to say, I do like the colour scheme on that, and with the sort of black and gold as well. That looks really good, that. Well, there we have it for the Coffee Cruisers 4 5-pack. Pretty awesome. I've got to say, it's nice to see a sort of more old school set. Pretty nice looking indeed. And it's a very unique set of vehicles, I must say. Very, very interesting choice in this pack. Very cool. I very much like it. I've got to say, I like the colour schemes. I think it's really, really cool. I was quite glad that I spotted it today in Sainsbury's, because it wasn't in the usual place they put them. It was sort of on the end of another aisle with some sort of summer sales thing. Only cost me about £7, which I think is pretty good for 5-packs nowadays. Matchbox is usually cheaper over here. It makes a nice change from paying nearly £12 for a Hot Wheels 5-pack though, I must admit. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Let me know down below in the comments as always what you think of this 5-pack. While you're down there, drop a like and all that amazing stuff. I wish you the best of luck on your peck hunts, and I hope to see you again in the next video.